This tutorial is sponsored by Patreon. Thank you all for your support. Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. In today's video we're going to be talking about trigger boxes in Unreal Engine. So trigger boxes come in three different shapes. They can be capsule, they can be cube or a box, or they can be little sphere. So mainly we use them to fire off some events, some codes, when the player overlaps with them. So the simplest way to show what trigger box do is I prepared here trigger box. So this is just box trigger box, and if we go ahead now, we can use it in our level blueprint, and we can select this trigger box, right click, add event, collision, and here we will select on actor begin overlap, and as its name says, when something overlaps with this trigger box, the certain code is gonna be fired. So for example here I will cast to third person character, so this is just for testing purposes, and of course you're gonna have interfaces that are gonna make your life easier with the trigger box and events that happen here, but I just want to show you how can we activate them. So when actor, in this case third person character, overlaps with this trigger box that we have here, I'm gonna have it fire the event triggered or box triggered. So now if we compile and play, and if we run there, as you can see it says box triggered. So we can use different kinds of things. We can even let's say open level again. So let's open third person map. You could use trigger boxes for player to travel through the levels, and as you can see here now, okay, never mind. As you can see now, it's gonna reset the level. So you can do all kinds of things with the trigger boxes, that's why they are useful. And the shapes, they don't really matter that much, it's all about the situation where you need it. It's basically only the shape, the functions stay the same, and you use them for the same things. It's just about the shape. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.